In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore any deleted file, document, or folder from your recycle bin. Now I have my recycle bin here and it contains quite a number of files and folders that I deleted. The first thing you need to do to restore it, go ahead and double click on it to open your recycle bin. And here you will be presented with a number of items, videos, files, folders, and even documents that you deleted. As you can see, you have so many of them. So what you need to do is to go ahead and identify the ones that you want to restore or to recover. And for my case, I want to recover an image called blog post. And as you can see, I can find it here, and it will show you the root from which it was deleted from. It was under downloads and the date when it was deleted. It will even show you the size and the format this image was in. So once you have identified it, all you need to do is to right click on it and then select on restore. And once you have clicked on that, go to the destination where it was initially as we saw it here, and we shall find it. So let me go ahead and open my downloads and see if I can find the blog post file that I've just deleted. So I'll scroll down and here is my recovery file, blog post. It is here, and you can see the date when it was first modified, so it has been recovered. Now to open it, you can go ahead and just open it by double clicking on it, and as you can see, the image is intact and with all the information that it contains. Nothing has been distorted, no information has been lost. So that's how you recover deleted files from a recycle bin. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.